Which tree provides the most oxygen? A. Peepal. B. Neem. C. Banyan. Correct answer is A. Peepal. What was the name of the first Hindi-speaking robot? A. Shakuntala. B. Shubh. C. Mitra. Correct answer is C. Mitra. How many years of exile did Lord Ram receive? A. 12 years. B. 14 years. C. 16 years. Correct answer is B. 14 years. In which country was Mukesh Ambani born? A. India. B. Yemen. C. UK. Correct answer is B. Yemen. Who built the Jama Masjid located in Delhi? A. Akbar. B. Shah Jahan. C. Aurangzeb. Correct answer is B. Shah Jahan. Which country operates the most trains? A. India. B. China. C. USA. Correct answer is C. USA. In which city is the memorial of Rani Lakshmibai located? A. Jhansi. B. Gwalior. C. Kanpur. Correct answer is B. Gwalior. Which color makes an elephant go wild? A. Red. B. Blue. C. Black. Correct answer is A. Red. Where is Charminar located? A. Delhi. B. Hyderabad. C. Agra. Correct answer is B. Hyderabad. Which country has no cinema halls? A. North Korea. B. Bhutan. C. Saudi Arabia. Correct answer is B. Bhutan. How many bones are there in the human body? A. 206. B. 210. C. 198. Correct answer is A. 206. Which is the largest city in India? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Bengaluru. Correct answer is B. Mumbai. Who travels in the Air Force One aircraft? A. US President. B. Indian President. C. British Queen. Correct answer is A. US President. Which of the following animals has the longest tail? A. Giraffe. B. Bengal tiger. C. African elephant. Correct answer is B. Bengal tiger. Which country has the highest production of black salt? A. India. B. Nepal. C. Pakistan. Correct answer is C. Pakistan. Which tree, when cut, releases a blood-like sap? A. Dragon blood tree. B. Sandalwood tree. C. Neem tree. Correct answer is A. Dragon blood tree. Which state is the largest coal producer in India? A. Jharkhand. B. Odisha. C. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is A. Jharkhand. Which river is referred to as the Mahakali River? A. Kali River. B. Yamuna. C. Gomti. Correct answer is A. Kali River. Where are airplanes manufactured in India? A. Bengaluru. B. Pune. C. Lucknow. Correct answer is A. Bengaluru. In which Indian river are diamonds found? A. Narmada. B. Godavari. C. Krishna. Correct answer is A. Narmada.